Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. So let's see what's there on your side, Aquarians. Okay, so we have the Queen of Swords on your side. See what's there on your person's side. Okay, the Justice. Okay, the most likely outcome. The Hierophant. Okay. So as far as you are concerned, Aquarians, you are very guarded and very, I won't say detached, but the thing is that you are in your own power. You are in your power, dealing with the situation in a very truthful manner. Yeah, I should say very truthful and very straightforward. And here with the Justice, I think the same goes on this person's side also. Maybe you are dealing with a Libran, but this person is also very balanced and very truthful, and as the outcome is the Hierophant, so it is a commitment and even a marriage perhaps. Truth, it's coming off as truth prevails, sort of. Let me see what the clarifiers have to say. Let's see, why is this Queen of Swords here for? Okay, we have the Hangman, the Queen of Swords once again. Okay, the Six of Pentacles and the Fool. Sorry, I was about to keep the cards, forgot that I have to take cards for your person also. Anyway, so what's there on your person's side? Where is this Justice card there? Okay, the Devil card is very common in today's reading. Negatives need to be worked up. Okay, we have the Devil, the Queen of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, why is this Hierophant here for? Three of Cups, Two of Wands, Three of Pentacles, the Star, the Knight of Cups, the Ten of Wheels, the Two of Cups. Okay. Okay, so on this side, on your side rather, see, since we have the Justice card over here, as I said, there is truthfulness over here and being straightforward and truthful here. But one more thing which I'm getting here is, because we have the Hangman, so definitely there is something which you've been waiting for, and again there is Queen of Swords, so you've been waiting for some sort of truth to come in, perhaps to unfold, or maybe it is a legal decision also. So maybe there is something legal attached to it, but there is something which is stuck, and you are waiting for a decision over here. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say, and it's been a long time that you've been waiting for this decision. from the other person perhaps. So things were on hold since a long, long time. You've been waiting for the truth to come out, or for some decision to come out, obviously, which is supposed to be truthful. You're looking for balance. You're looking for balance and a correct decision over here. And with the Fool, you are here taking that leap of faith. I think truth is being served to you. It's coming to you. You're waiting for it, and with the Six of Pentacles, that balance is being restored. It's coming in. And with the Fool, you are now sort of uh, ready to take that leap of faith, because you've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and the image which I'm getting is now you feel like a child. It's been ages that you've been waiting for this decision perhaps. It's been a long time, and now since it has now come, it is sort of uh, giving you your soul that solace, I should say, that solace, that now you are ready to take that rest to freshen up your soul sort of. So it is that now you feel that your soul is what you are now feeling like a young girl now, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. And it is like once you've worked very hard for a decision, and once it comes in, now you want to relax. Yeah, relax is the right word. So you have that naivety and that relaxation in you, that now you are ready to take that rest, or that you are ready to surrender now, that okay, now this is what I wanted, now I've got it, and now you are relaxing sort of. You're relaxing. Okay, now I'm okay. I won my battle, I got what I wanted, and now it's okay. Now I'm fine. And now you want to take that rest, that relaxation, and that thing of life, that okay, now I'm okay with it. Now I'm okay with what life has to offer to me, because this is what I wanted and I've got it sort of. And here on this person's side, I don't know, let's see what happens here with the Devil, the Queen of Cups, and the Ace of Pentacles. I think you are getting this new beginning from this person's side, and that is what perhaps you were waiting for since a long, long time. You wanted this person to open up, and perhaps that is what they are doing now. Maybe now they have realized that they love you sort of, or offering this new beginning to you. Let's see, as the outcome we have the Hierophant, as I said. So with the Three of Cups, the Two of Wands, again it's picking up the same energy, that you want to reconcile with this person, you want to be with this person, waiting for a decision. Over here with the Two of Wands, spending time with your friends perhaps, with the Three of Pentacles. With Three of Cups, I see this is celebration, this is happy times. This is happy times. And here we have the Star, the Knight of Cups, the Ten of Wheels, and the Two of Cups. So this is your wish fulfillment. This is the change of events, the turn of events towards your wish fulfillment, opening up of this person perhaps. This is the truth which you wanted. You wanted things to be in your favor. You wanted perhaps this is what you wanted. You wanted a new beginning. You wanted a beginning from this person. You wanted some commitment from this person perhaps. Since a long, long time you've been waiting for this person, and now things have started changing in your favor, and the commitment is perhaps coming in. Because we have the Hierophant also over here, which is talking about commitment, marriage, stepping up of the relationships. Let's see what's there from the universe for Aquarians. Okay, like attracts like. If you long for more, be more loving. Number two may be of some significance for you. This is again being in touch with your inner self and being in touch with your inner child. So that's what here I said. Once you have achieved what you wanted to achieve. Now here you are ready to take that leap of faith. Okay, this is what I wanted and I'm happy, and now I surrender myself to life for a new beginning. And here the new beginnings are happening. This person is opening up, offering you a new beginning. And here the things have started changing, and you are actually getting commitment from this person. So finally your wishes are being fulfilled after a long time, Aquarians. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.